Here we go again. Hey, chimp boy. Hey, Twitchy. I do not shake with cats. Okay? Now, a small chimp for breakfast, a nut for lunch, and a sensible girl for dinner. Oh, really? What kind of post will that make me? To ignore my guests? Let me show you my... How should I put this? Hospitality. Oh, hey, chimp boy. When you stop worrying, I know all about cats with a capital K. Sit on the windowsill, heck of a furball. Oh, that's very ferocious. They'll twitch their whiskers, one whisker at a time, just like you, Liberty, and me.
And be fooled by those fancy pants. It's just her feline arrogance,
Flaunting
their collars with tinkly bells.
She thinks her litter box don't smell. Don't go and be fooled by this crazy cat.
Don't go and listen to his crazy facts. Not gonna tell you twice. You better watch your back.
Don't go and be fooled. The big bad cat's an act. Show them the grip.
I thought I warned you, not gonna tell you twice. You better watch your back.
What do you think? You think I'm afraid of your claws?
Can the old canine philosophies? Why don't you just go and tend to your
Oh, oh, oh!
push me, but I'm just not in the mood. You're one swipe away from becoming cat food.
Don't go and be fooled by this crazy cat.
Don't go and listen to his crazy fact. Not gonna tell you twice. You better watch your back.
Don't go and be fooled. This big bad cat's in it. What I tell you?
I thought I warned you, not gonna tell you twice.
You better watch your back. Don't go and be fooled.
The big bad cat's a furball hacking, rodent snacking. Act. That's right, an act. You're just a pussy cat. You think you're tough?
I dare you spike the collar and bluff.
You are a very scared putty tat.
You're one swipe away from becoming toast. Eliza, get my doggy pen. I'm about to catch a snack.
Whoa, man, who could
Richard said it was right.
Was that you, baby? You may want to re-examine your diet.
I thought I warned you, not gonna tell you twice.
You better watch your back.
Come get me. We can settle this right
Goody,
now,
goody.
right here. Mano-y-mano. Don't
The
go
big
get
bad cat's a nut.
Oh, man, you. Come on, let's
The
go
big
right now. Rip
bad
that fur
cat's
coat
a
off
nut.
and
I
wear
thought I
it
warned you.
on
Not
my
gonna
body.
tell you twice. You better
Where'd you get
watch
that
your
skinny
back.
coat? You know what I'm saying, Red?
Yeah, you heard
Well,
it.
cats didn't like water. But frankly, Eliza, she did need a bath.